Gonna take a 102-inch whip and convert it into a base station. That's the antenna. I made a bracket out of some 2x2 angle iron. I bolted it to a piece of pipe and put my antenna mounted straight through the top of it like this. And from there, I took some ground wires, 102-inch long, stretch them out. We got 4 wires, 102-inch long, soldered into a connection which goes to the ground of the cable. Now this pipe here is going to slide over my boom, my pole. I'm using a swimming pool pole that you use to hook your skimmer to, just to skim your pool out. That's going to be my mast for my antenna to go on top of. From there, at the end of the wires, back to the wires, I hooked some keychain rings on the ends so I can hook to my mast. I got 2 lengths of 1/2-inch PVC pipe, as you can see in the video. I put them together and ran a piece of cable around the wires to create this cross. Kind of looks like that on the ground. This is what I'm going to connect my ground wires coming off the antenna to. Okay, now we're going to slide the pipe on the bottom of the antenna into the mast pole, just like that. See, we got it laid out in the yard. We got a pipe drove into the ground. Okay, we're taking our PVC pipe with the guide wires around it. Put that across. I'm taking the end of the wire. I'm going to tie wrap it to the pipe. I drilled holes at the end of each pipe. I'm going to tie wrap to each one of the 4 pipes. It goes up. Okay, we've got all 4 of the wires hooked up. Now I'm going to tape. I'm going to get a piece of electrical tape and tape this together to hold it in place. We got the coax attached, and we'll put a piece of tape right here to keep the bind off the coax until we lift it up. I'm using Gorilla Tape to tape the mast to the cross beams of the PVC pipe to hold it in place. Okay, now we're setting the pipe into the pipe I drove into the ground. And there we have it. Back up. "102-inch whip up in the air." PVC pipe holding the guideline, ground wires, going down into the pipe in the ground. Now we'll go and see inside and see if it works. Finished product. Now we're going to go try it out inside, see how it works. Okay, we're going to check the SWRs on the antenna we just installed. Not too bad, a little bit, not bad at all. We'll go to 40. About a 1.3. Okay, we're going to try and see if we get anybody on this radio. Got the antenna up in the air, hooked up to the radio. We're going to give it a shot. CQ frequency. CQ frequency. Anybody give me a radio check? CQ. Roger, we're trying this radio out. We just installed an antenna on top of the camp out here. We're trying to see how it sounds. You copy? Roger in the Connecticut. We're down here in Louisiana. Just put up a 102-inch whip on top of the camp and was trying it out. Take care. Appreciate the radio check. 022. We clear.
Okay, yeah, you sounded good, man. We'll get you far. No problem at all hearing you.
Check. We clear.